Hey, I'm back here just inserting this between videos because I realized I never showed that you could have multiple Elifs. In fact, you can have as many as you want in a single conditional statement. So you need to have one if, no matter what. It's optional to have an else at the end, but you can only have one because it's a catch-all, otherwise. But in between, we can have as many elifs or else ifs as we want. So here's an example that asks for, what's your favorite color? And if the user says purple, the clear best color, it's not even up for debate. We print excellent choice. But then we have an else if. So if this was not true, is this true? Color equal to teal. If it is, we print not bad. Oops. But if it's not true, move on. Try this one. Is color equal to seafoam? We'll print mediocre. If that's false, is color equal to pure darkness? We'll print I like how you think. If people pick pure darkness as their color, great. And then else, otherwise, we'll print you monster. So let's quickly try it out. I have it in a file I called logic.py. So what's your favorite color? Let's start with purple. Excellent choice. How about blue? We get else because we didn't have an if or elif, so it triggers the else. Let's do it again, and this time teal. This time we'll do pure darkness. That's my favorite color. Oops, need to actually hit enter on the file first. Now we can try pure darkness. I was so fixated on spelling that correctly. I like how you think. And then finally, I think we're missing seafoam. Oh, I didn't spell it correctly, as you can see, so I got you monster. But just for the sake of being complete here, seafoam. There we go, mediocre. And that about sums up this video, mediocre. But it's good to know you can have multiple elifs. All right,